Trustcheck BCA Body Composition Analyzer for monitoring 13 body compositions instantly. It offers a unique and comprehensive monitoring of 13 vital body parameters and displays the results on your phone for convenient storing or sharing. Trustcheck Body Composition Analyzer box contains the Body Composition Analyzer machine, user manual, warranty card, and 3 AAA batteries. Trustcheck Body Composition Analyzer comes with many features for convenient body composition analysis in this digital age. Measures over 13 body parameters in 10 seconds. Each registration on the Fitdays app can store data of up to 24 individuals. One-touch start and auto turn off. Enabled for easy result sharing. BIA technology ensures accurate results. You can easily track the progress through Fitdays app. And it comes with a 1-year warranty. Here's how to use the Trustcheck Body Composition Analyzer. Insert the 3 AAA batteries in the holder at the back of the scale. Press Unit button to change the unit kilograms to pounds and vice versa. Place the scale carefully on a hard and flat ground. Download the Fitdays app from Apple Store or Google Play and install it on your device. Log in and register your own ID by email or social media account. Add your personal data. Entering wrong gender, age or height may result in inaccurate measurement. So, recheck your data before confirming. Now, turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Pairing the weighing scale through Bluetooth. After pairing, your phone gets connected with the scale. Tap your foot on the scales to activate the display. Wait until the display shows 0.0. Step on the scale bare feet to turn the scale on. Stepping on the scale with socks will measure only weight and BMI. To get complete data, step on the scale bare feet only. Continue to stand on the scale until the circle is stable. When it shows Test Done, your phone has received all the data from the scale. You can now check all the 13 body parameters results on your phone. You can store the test results and even share with your health or diet consultant. To view your long-term track chat form that shows your past analyzing records, simply click on Record. The new user needs to switch user by clicking Go to Manage Users and add personal data. Trustcheck Body Composition Analyzer.